Hello viewers, how are you? I am fine. I hope you are also fine. May Allah Almighty showers His countless blessings on you and your dear ones. So let's start our today video. Our today video topic is cozy desk. Creating a cozy and inviting desk space can help enhance your productivity and make working or studying more enjoyable. Here are some cozy desk ideas you can consider. Desk placement. Choose a well lit area near a window if possible, as natural light can boost your mood and productivity. Place your desk against a wall or in a corner to create a defined workspace. Comfortable chair. Invest in a sportive and comfortable chair that promotes good posture and allows you to work for long hours without discomfort. Consider adding a cushions or lumbar support for extra coziness. Personalize with decor. Surround yourself with items that inspire and motivate you. Hang up motivational quotes, artwork, or photographs that make you happy. Add a small indoor plant or a vase of fresh flowers for a touch of nature. Warm lighting. Choose warm, soft lighting options like desk lamps or string lights to create a cozy ambiance. Avoid harsh fluorescent lighting as it can be draining and affect your focus. Desk accessories. Use desk organizer and storage solutions to keep your workspace tidy and clutter-free. A clutter-free desk helps create a more peaceful environment. Consider adding a desk mat or a coaster to add a touch of comfort and protect your desk surface. Soft textiles. Add soft and comforting textiles to your desk setup. Place a cozy rug under your desk. Use a plush cushions for your chair or drape a warm throw blanket over the back of your chair for chilly days. Aromatherapy. Use scents to create smoothing atmosphere. Consider using an essential oil diffuser with calming scents like lavender or chamomile. Alternatively, you can use scented candles or incense, but make sure to follow safety precautions. Background music. Play calming background music or instrumental tracks to help you focus and create a peaceful environment. Use headphones if needed to minimize distractions. Ergonomics. Ensure your desk setup is ergonomically friendly. Adjust your chair, desk height, and monitor position to promote good posture and reduce strain on your body. Personal touches. Finally, add personal touches that make you feel comfortable and at ease. This could include a favorite mug for your pins or a small trinket that holds sentimental value. Remember, the goal is to create a space that promotes focus, relaxation, and productivity while reflecting your personal style and preferences. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest video.